Upgrading the windows in your Redmond, Washington home is an investment that can enhance its beauty, energy efficiency, and overall comfort. However, the success of this home improvement project depends largely on the installation process. While some homeowners may be tempted to tackle window replacement as a DIY project, there are many compelling reasons to choose professional window replacement services. Here's why homeowners in Redmond should rely on experienced professionals to handle their window replacement needs. Expert installation ensures proper functionality. One of the most important reasons to choose professional window replacement services is to ensure that your windows function properly. Windows are complex systems that need to be installed correctly to perform at their best. Professional installers have the skills and experience to ensure that windows are properly aligned, sealed, and secured in their frames. Improper installation can result in issues such as drafts, leaks, or difficulty opening and closing the windows. Over time, these issues can lead to damage and even reduce the energy efficiency of your home. Professional window installers have the tools and expertise to avoid these problems and guarantee that your windows operate smoothly, offering long-term performance. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a major concern for homeowners in Redmond, especially with the city's cool, rainy winters and warm summers. Old or poorly installed windows can be major contributors to heat loss or air leakage, driving up energy bills. Professional window replacement services ensure that the new windows are correctly sealed and insulated, improving your home's energy efficiency. Double or triple pane windows, which are common in energy-efficient replacements, provide an extra layer of protection against temperature fluctuations. Low-E glass coatings can further enhance the insulation properties of your windows. When installed correctly by professionals, these windows can help you maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, regardless of the weather outside, and ultimately reduce your energy consumption and costs. Expert recommendations for the right windows. Choosing the right windows for your home involves more than just selecting the most attractive design. Factors like climate, home architecture, and personal preferences all play a role in determining which window style and material are best suited for your needs. Professional window replacement services can offer valuable advice on the best options for your home. Whether you need storm windows to protect against heavy rainfall, soundproof windows to reduce external noise, or energy-efficient windows to lower your utility bills, experienced installers will provide recommendations based on your specific situation. They'll take into account Redmond's climate and your home's style, ensuring you choose the most suitable window options that will deliver the best performance. Guaranteed quality and warranty protection. When you work with a professional window replacement company, you can rest assured that the installation will be done to the highest standards. Professional installers typically work with top-quality window manufacturers and products, ensuring that you're receiving durable, long-lasting materials for your home. Additionally, many professional window installation services offer warranties on both the products and the labor. This means that if something goes wrong after installation, whether it's an issue with the window itself or the installation, you're covered. This added protection gives you peace of mind and ensures that your investment is secure for years to come. Time and cost saving. While it may seem like a DIY window replacement could save money, the reality is that professional installation often ends up being more cost-effective in the long run. Professional installers can complete the job efficiently, which saves you time and minimizes disruptions in your daily life. Plus, they come equipped with the proper tools and expertise to do the job correctly, which reduces the likelihood of costly mistakes that could require further repairs. Additionally, many window replacement companies offer competitive pricing and financing options, making it easier for homeowners to budget for the project. When you factor in the cost of tools, materials, and potential mistakes with a DIY installation, opting for professional services is often a better investment. Enhanced curb appeal. Windows play a significant role in your home's curb appeal. Choosing the right style and materials can transform the look of your home's exterior. Professional window replacement services have access to a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes that can complement your home's design. Whether you're looking to upgrade to modern vinyl windows, classic wooden frames, or stylish casement windows, a professional installer can help you select the best options that will enhance the aesthetic of your home. With expert installation, these new windows will not only look great but will also provide added functionality and protection. Compliance with local building code. In Redmond, as with any city, there are specific building codes that must be followed during any home improvement project, including window replacement. Professional window installers are familiar with these codes and can ensure that your project meets all the necessary requirements. This includes ensuring proper installation techniques, using the correct materials, and obtaining the required permits. By hiring a professional, you can avoid the risk of fines or delays that might arise from non-compliance with local regulations. It also ensures that your windows are installed safely and correctly, providing you with maximum protection and peace of mind. Conclusion. When it comes to window replacement in Redmond, choosing professional services is a wise decision that offers numerous advantages. From ensuring proper installation and enhancing energy efficiency to improving the aesthetic appeal and providing warranty protection, the benefits of working with experienced professionals are clear. Professional installers bring the expertise, tools, and knowledge needed to make your window replacement project a success, ensuring that your windows deliver optimal performance and protection for years to come. If you're considering upgrading your windows, investing in professional window replacement services is a decision that will pay off in comfort, savings, and long-term value.